What's up, Griffin family ballin', and we're back with another video. How you doing, squad? Hello.
Where's what? They did. That's what I got. Big boy bankroll.
We got Jermaine being slow in the back. Y'all see him? He always got something to do. You sure you ready?
Yeah, I've been ready.
We so super late. It's over at 5, right?
No.
It's 2:30. So yeah, got my umbrella today.
I'm sorry. What happened? Just sit back and move that over. Why would you sit on that and out yourself?
Always complaining. Golly. You need your hat.
It's right there.
Hey girlie, you going with us? Are you going? Are you going? Are you going? Going?
Here I come, here I come.
Come on, come on, come on, come on. We done kidnapped Ro. We got Ro in the building. Ro, you ready to go have some fun, girlfriend?
Yes, I am. And it's hot, y'all.
Oh, it's very hot.
It's burning up.
I'm sorry, Shay, Ro, who are you today?
Well, if you want to know, technically, everybody call me Shay, but my family call me Rose. But my Instagram name is The Shawarrior, my actual name. So. And my Instagram. Well, yeah, my Instagram and my YouTube, so yeah.
But the thing about it is, all I'm saying is, Ro and Shay act like two different people, so who are you today?
You get a little different personalities. A little mixture in one.
Who is she, Ness? Who is she today, Ro or Shay?
Ro.
Oh, she Ro.
Yeah.
Which one you like the best, Ro or Shay?
Ro.
Oh, Ro. Oh, okay. Oh, she just think Ro is just everything. That's so sweet. Little sister thinks she everything. You shy, Nay?
What?
Nay, I'm thinking about you.
Nay.
Yeah, I called you Nay. I got so many.
Nay.
I got Nay, Naya, Ness. I got so many.
Well, Ro. Not coming close to Nay, but Ro.
Right, but I'm saying in a whole nother sense it is.
Yeah.
You know. So, Mr. Griffin, what you got to say about all this? You kind of quiet. So, he lost his keys today, y'all. It's the reason why we couldn't go nowhere. Now we back in the game. Got Jermaine back in the building. He pissed off at himself, y'all. It's hot out here, guys. It is 102 degrees. Oh my goodness. Woo, woo. Ro, did you bring your umbrella?
No, but that's a good idea.
I got 2 down there.
Really?
Yeah.
We might look a little funny with an umbrella though.
I guess I might look funny.
But it is hot.
Because it is very hot. But yeah, guys. I also bought this because I'm going to be spraying myself and others.
Sounds good. So it's the direct one, or?
y'all haven't said it already, y'all come on and ride with us. What you say? You hate heights.
But every time when you like go down a hill, it feels scary.
No, you scared of everything. So we have made it here to the Texas Motor Place.
Right now.
Everybody came last week, so I'm quite sure it's not going to be a lot of people here this week.
I think I would have got it.
All right.
Man, I love the tutu. I know you love it, that's why you did it. Man, that's it right there.
Thank you.
Y'all's band didn't come in quick. Y'all should have the band saying y'all the celebrities, y'all the bosses. So my bad, they only got the regular ones, bro. These are the two medias, general.
Okay.
Happy life to y'all. Y'all take care, enjoy your day.
All right,
Thank you so much for coming out too.
No problem. So we still good to get in and stuff.
Yeah, just put that on. Make
All
sure
right.
that's your media, two blue medias.
All right.
Get you in where you're supposed to be as media, and then that green is the other thing. You good.
All right, appreciate it.
Happy life.
Hey, you too. Say happy life.
Happy wife, happy life.
Guys, quick.
All right, got Playboy Jeezy over here. Get a close up of that when we come back through before he starts running. Stunner got Vino clean. Got clean. Stunner got Vino. He got that bad boy clean. Oh, he put the 4Gs back on it. All right. Look, we got the new. All right, that's my brother Stunner. He said they was on his head. I don't know. I don't know if he got it all the way around. That was, I think that was fine already. Joe Tech over there.
Look at that Hello Kitty.
Hello Kitty was out here spanking behinds last time we was here. Said it was spanking last time we was here. They Hello Kitty.
Oh yeah, they was winning a lot of them.
It took Demonology to beat her. I think. I don't think nobody else beat her. I don't know. I didn't see all the races though. Had to ask E-Vapors about that one. The audio catch over there. Billionaire Brent. Subscribe to him. See you out here.
I got these. I gotta keep it clear so I don't get headaches from the track. After we got
Yellow check. What's up with you, man? You all right?
Oh yeah, you good?
Yeah. I seen you over there filming.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna come back and get you though. All right. Just a little walk through.
How you doing, young man?
How we doing?
Hey, Poppy. How's it going, buddy?
Enjoying this. Got away from the hot weather.
Oh, okay. You got the vet over there?
Yeah, I got it right here. Yeah.
Oh, right next to. Okay.
Yeah.
Next to Jeff's.
Yeah, right next to Jeff right here.
Oh, okay.
We're right here.
All right. I'll be over there in a second.
Okay, see you.
All right. Yeah, I see it. If he come past, I can get it good. Steady here.
So tonight.
Oh, look, you got somebody sitting in the front seat.
Look, you see the rules of the car? The rules of the car is get in, shut up, and hold on. This is real nice right here.
All the way out with that one.
Yeah. Look, you got the head over here.
Something fell off.
Something fell out.
426.
You didn't know that?
Can't fix stupidity. A lot of detail in this one. All the comics on there. Okay.
This is the Joker.
Nah, but
This Jason. What is that, Jason?
no, it's one of his animes.
Oh.
I guess. Many of them would have known. Josh would have known.
Black.
Yeah, next time I'll bring the price. Oh, wait, I gotta press the button to go live? I can't just press. All right. Oh, okay. It say live now. I fixed it. Huh?
Wow.
I figured it out.
A lot of stuff on here.
I sound like my grandma. I gotta figure out what it meant.
Huh?
I sound like somebody.
But it's crazy because the TV is like her last name.
It is my last name. My last name is Water. Come on. Come on, Water.
I thought it was Princess Diamond.
That's that one thing that you was talking about.
It's a hard job going live, ain't it?
That's the one that they got.
Alright, we're about to be over there in a second.
This right here. All that up in there. I ain't never seen that before.
Nest Thirsty. I didn't even get that truck. Alright. Oh, look at the wrap on there. It's a nice wrap. Yeah, so I was looking at the wrap on there. Yeah. This is a joke. Scat Pack. I like this. I like those rims. The SRT in the middle. I think that's the Vape Gorilla. Get down in the comment section if that's what that is. Trying to practice the steadiness of the hand.
Listen, I will throw my whiskey at
CP. 392 CP on all platforms. Wow. That bag scat. That move, that bag scat, it's like on Instagram. Looking clean up under there. No Park Social Club, same thing, the tent over there. Nice. Hellcat, I guess ready to run. Follow them on Instagram, Kitty Cat 7.07. I like those. Black Scat, wide body.
This one got dope.
What's happening, man? You alright?
Yeah.
The Lambo doors. Yes. That was Scat 214.
Yes. And
this one say.
Let's see Winchester. Here's one I gotta kill. Here's one out here.
Got the vet. Is he getting them tires? Tire pressure together. That's clean. Grand Sport. Ready to run that bad boy. That's your boy Traco from Waco. What's up, fam? Y'all didn't know. It's Traco from Waco. You never noticed there's this picture over there. Check him out on Instagram. He has a YouTube channel. I believe. Who wants some smoke?
Who won't smoke with me? Who won't smoke with me?
Social media. Hellcat. Hellcat. Something a little extra on there. RT over there. RT right here. This box Chevy.
Old school, bro. I'm talking about, bro. It's all caprices up on for real, bro. Like, oh, you from Texas? It's our first time down here, bro. Like, literally, it took us 14 hours to get here, bro. Oh, me. I just told my girl that, bro. Like, I'm about to start putting the
swag on. Where y'all from? Where you from, man?
Cincinnati.
Cincinnati?
You know what I'm saying?
Originally from Detroit.
Oh, Detroit?
Yeah, yes, sir.
I heard about y'all, boys.
Oh, this we beating in here. That's full sun audio. Sun down. Yeah, we beating with this.
Oh yeah, I was just telling her though, like, bro, I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. We went to a couple stores, I done asked if they hiring. When y'all started? Cause I'll stay down this motherfucker. All I gotta do is go get my kids, bro.
It ain't as bad as it was last week. But I hope these afternoon come out.
Yeah. It's a lot of shit. Yeah, it is.
My wife, remember we took the event that day?
Yeah.
That's Squizzy. 728.
We're gonna have one.
Jeff.
Gang, what up, man?
What's happening, man?
Family Griffin, what up, my boy?
Chilling, man. Look at that ice on that wrist, man. Come on,
man,
now.
you got all the ice, man.
My sunglasses not.
I'm about to jack his. You know what? I'm gonna jack his camera. We're gonna flip this over here. Hold on. We're talking about ice. Look at this man. Damn.
All the exposed channels say we got all the fake ice and stuff, man. You know, we real fake out here, man.
Right.
Yeah,
I don't
ain't
listen.
got my other chain on.
You know what? To me, Reese, it's very simple. It's a thing of mind over matter. I no longer mind because you no longer matter. I don't give a damn about your picture. It costs me nothing to pay you no mind.
There you go.
Just leave it at that, and it's over. You know what I'm saying?
Right there.
Just saying.
There you go. Man,
bro,
make sure y'all show my people, man.
That
Griffin
way.
family balling a whole lot of love, man.
Appreciate
They be
that,
out here,
man.
hard for the
Appreciate
culture.
that.
Yeah, definitely good people.
The only one that's weird right now, that 728 dude. Where he at, man?
Man, it's fake, man. It's fake, man. Yeah, man.
Shit, I'm trying to trust you to get warmed up, man.
Let me get the tester out, man.
Yeah.
Remember that?
We got the
You gonna test your stuff. You really want to test my stick? I have, big. Oh, yeah.
That's what I went to the flea market for, to get the watch, remember?
Yeah. I gotta go grab a watch real quick.
y'all gonna get Ice Champ rated.
Ice Champ was actually my jeweler in 2007.
Yeah, you told me.
He used to be a little cubicle, and
Yeah,
I got a lot of watches from him, a lot of stuff. He's never done me wrong. Real talk, he's done me always right. He's a hustler. He do his thing, but you know what? I respect the game. It's his business.
Yes, sir.
He blew up when he bought the Mark Samuels and everything else. He blew up, and he's a good dude though.
Yes, sir. All right, we'll get back with y'all in a minute.
You on?
Yeah, we on.
392 CP. Come
That's
check it
you.
out over here.
All right.
392
Is that
CP.
vape? Is that the vape? Gorilla, or just the one you figured that one out on your own?
It's not bait, but you know, I guess you could say that. I put it on all myself in my garage.
Okay.
Took me like 3 hours.
Yeah, that look good.
Only thing I got done, I mean, it's pretty much stock. I got a couple of legs, drop.
Yeah, I like this. I like this, man. Yeah. He did all the work himself.
Yeah, man.
392 CP. I told y'all to go check him out.
Yeah, check me out, man.
All platforms.
Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, 392 CP.
Yeah, I hear that delete. I haven't done the delete on her stuff yet.
Got you.
Yeah, I know, so it sounds so you can hear the muscle. I can hear it on this one though. But yeah, I was checking you out, man.
Nice.
Yeah. I didn't get that. I like these. I like the SRT.
Yeah, I put even
I don't like this. I don't like this.
Okay.
Yeah, so I can find it.
I'm real big on detail, so even the SRT on there. Great. I swapped this out. This used to be silver. Swapped that out for the black one in there. Stripes used to be black. Red and black on there.
That's all right.
Really.
That's all right.
Yeah, man. What's your YouTube channel?
Griffin Family Balling. There you go. Make it easy for you.
All right, bit.
QR code on there.
Okay.
Tonyo detailing, huh? Y'all remember him last vlog? The detailer right here. What's happening, Tonyo? You out here making a grip, ain't you? You out here making the grip, ain't you?
I did that before I got here.
Okay, yeah, I seen the bug,
Oh yeah, man.
cleaning the bugs off the truck.
Man, having fun with the car.
Yeah, I don't play around. I don't play around. I follow for real. I follow for real. That's why I'm relevant. I can hold a conversation with you. I follow you for real.
Which I've been up here since they opened.
Nah, man. We got out here.
Damn hot for all
The vlog too. I got your car.
You already got the car.
Yeah, I got your car over there. You all right, man?
We chilling,
with
bro.
Them funny vlogs,
hey,
man. I
hey,
told him. I said I follow y'all for real.
I gotta keep them entertained. You know.
You got them side chick vlogs and shit.
Yeah, I'm gonna upload one today.
Okay.
I'm gonna upload another one today. Oh, you can't? Your girl will get on your ass. Hey man, we out here, bro, enjoying the cars. You know what I'm saying?
Yes,
so many cars out
burnt
here.
orange pulled in.
Oh.
Came in tough.
Big yes, sir. With the 4Gs on it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Look like he got some 28s or some 26.
Yeah.
I'm talking about on the truck itself, the dually.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
You got rims on the dually.
That thing right there running.
Check this bad boy out. Got the 4Gs on. Yeah, he runs this. 4G. Solid killer racing. Burnt orange. All right, what's happening, man? Got Playboy Jeezy. Chi-Town showing, bro. The Corleones. The turbos coming out. You know, he had T-tops on it. Boy, he got a full package. All right. T-tops. Nice. There you go, right there. Got another box Chevy out here.
You know, I don't focus on
Original paperwork on this.
How you doing, bro?
Man?
Alright, let me clean this car up real quick.
That didn't sound too good. Oh, check out the interior. It's alright.
Here's mine are done.
Gucci. We heard you pulling in, bro.
Oh yeah?
Felt it too. That man slapping.
Look, something.
Man here slapping. Like that paint job. Chevy hat. It's alright. Sitting right next to a man here. Got the Gucci grill. Got the turbo coming out the top of the ZL1. Look at the design. They're going all the way up the roof. I've seen this one already. You see that paint? See the flakes in that paint. About to go out there and run that. Another ZL1. Huh? Hey, we gotta see them race. You hear them?
Yeah.
Okay, I can smell it. You smell the tires?
Yes.
I smell it too. I don't know. It depends on when they bet each other how much they bet it for. What's happening, man?
Man, trying to stay cool.
Yeah, I hear you. I hear you. That sun out here. Come on, that's bumping.
$32 gang, you already know.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Demonology.
What's up, bro?
Hey, what's happening, man? Yeah, I hear it.
Gonna have to get back in it.
Now, I see you over here with this. He said what?
Too much in.
He said an ass kicking contest with one leg.
Yeah, with one leg.
Yeah, I saw that. I saw that. Hey, come on, baby. Let's go out here and check it out. Come on. Can't hold it.
All right, we got a little GTR action. Both cars on the tire.
Jeez, I called the left lane was fast. 9.6 at 155. All right, here we go, man. We got a 1320 Toro 704 versus a Charger Hellcat. Oh, man, let's see if the 1320 can beat the supercharged.
DJ, don't let us down now. Come on.
That was not a race.
Man, this is some bullshit.
Come on, one.
Come on, one.
Come on, staging lanes is looking kind of quiet, so if you want to get more runs in, now you can. This time against the Toyota Supra.
Hello? Yeah. I'm just filming this car. Not the thing. Hellcat.
Alright, man, let's get back to the lanes. I know you guys are letting your cars cool. But you're going to be mad when these lines are long later.
Real to real. And snapped out and got a C8. Check him out. Look at you, man. Look at you, man. Man, congratulations, man. Look at you.
You ain't seen this happen.
Nah, I ain't seen it yet.
You ain't come out to Whipfest, did you?
Nah, man,
weekend.
I had to work. I had to work, man. I couldn't pass up that money.
Whipfest was crazy,
Couldn't
bro.
pass up that money, man. Golly, I seen it on TV.
That truckload on them.
Yeah, I saw it. I saw it.
Come on, man.
Hey, sweetheart. Well, my wife just said, is she in there with him? I was like, I don't know. I'll be the guinea pig. I'll go see. Hey, Griffin Family Balling. Go check it out. Check it out. A lot of family vlogs, car shows, shopping, pranks. Everything.
Y'all see him with that drip on, got that mirror on.
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. I learned this from y'all. I'm watching. I'm watching.
Hey, man, we doing what we can, man.
Hey.
That's what it's about.
That's all you can do.
Come on, man.
That's all you can do.
Yes, sir.
I got to get this car, bro.
I'm gonna get out so you get the full experience.
Yeah, you got the kit put on it, huh? You got that kit put on it.
I'm thinking about just going ahead and putting the high wing on, man. I just feel like I feel like it needs that extra touch.
That look good, man.
I actually had got it washed yesterday. And took it out yesterday and got it back dirty. Got that brake done.
Man, you can't tell.
Yo, what's up, bro? Man, chillin', man.
Can't tell. You got that metallic in there. I see that now, man, over here on the sunshine.
Yeah.
I thought it was just sun-kissed. I thought it was just delicious. Got them 4Gs. Oh, yeah. Real came hard on them. The real came hard on them. Alright, guys, TJ 797. I think on all platforms.
I think the ZRL is playing with them, y'all. Alright, we got all-wheel drive TTRS. Full bolt-on versus versus compound boost, turbo and supercharged TRX. I'm not saying TRX is running up.
took a deep breath. I looked at my friends. I was like, it's about to go down.
Oh my God. You know, I'm calling you out. I want to race you. I want to race you right now. As soon as you get done. You ready to go race me? Don't. Yeah, I got a don't. I got. What? Well, because you got rims on your car. I'm calling out anybody on rim. This your car? Son, this your... Oh, okay, so I'm calling him out too. Yeah, I knew it. Go on, eat your food. Hey, we at Gapfest. I'm trying to gap women and all.
Anybody.
That's the name of the game. Y'all heard it here. Call him out. Gapfest.
He's back.
I wanted you to set that up so you would be in. Yeah, you can stand over there. I didn't want the truck to come through. Hey, watch out. Playboy Jesus coming through.
Hey, Reed. Man down. Just bet the house.
Oh, wow. Did he say he just bet the house? Wow.
Feeling good.
Wow. Okay, about to get ready to do these trophies. And then done the judging. Set all the trophies out. Come on, sweetheart.
Are you flying?
Yeah, I told you it was gonna be hot. What do we got over here? That didn't sound.
Yeah, looking like I'm free. But I'm grateful because I'm ready to try to fight.
We got a party over here. Party right over here by the Griffins. Y'all done? Y'all done?
I'm done.
Yeah. I see y'all pulled the trophies out.
Yeah. Oh, you came in recording that day. Yeah, what's the deal? I like
Got that bang in there.
And once we do that, we're still going to put one.
What year is it?
This is 17 or 18. I could be wrong. I told her the same thing. What is ours?
Ours is 11. Yeah, we got a Gen 5. Gen 5.
I bet it runs like a perfect beauty right now, doesn't it? I mean, we love it. Yeah.
Love these lights. Oh, they got the red. The racing seats. Can't see in there. Y'all got the racing seats in there. What's up, Frank? Yeah, all right, man?
What's up, man?
I
Chilling,
see you putting them videos out again.
I'm trying, man.
All right. I kept looking for you, man. I seen your name.
Oh,
didn't see the face.
I've been sitting in the truck.
Oh, okay.
Everything is.
Okay. Boy, you looking good, man. Looking good. I might like them caps. You about to tell somebody about that? Oh Lord, now that's that billionaire shit right there. I bet you ain't got no gas card like 728 do though. That's a gas card man right here. You leave this shit running all day. You get that Tesla mileage.
Hi, like what's your name? Yeah, what's your name? London. Speak up, babe. Come here. London Williams. What? Look at the camera. Tell them your name.
Hi, my name is London Williams.
And your YouTube page. What's
Está en Lucerne.
Come tell mommy.
Está en Lucerne.
Está en Lucerne.
Tell them.
Está en Lucerne.
Check out my daddy page.
So go subscribe to them. And you'll see London on there and her family. Come here, Mom. Guys, go subscribe. Go subscribe to their page.
Yes, Está en Lucerne. Like, share, subscribe.
And don't forget to hit that notification bell.
Notification bell. And there he goes.
Hi, I am Destiny, and they call me.
This is mine.
They call me Sport Mode Destiny, and you can find me on Instagram and Facebook. And then I also share a YouTube page with my fiance, and that's Sports Mode Swaggo.
All right.
Come follow and like, subscribe, and hit them notification bells.
Yes, make sure you hit that notification bell. Otherwise, subscription doesn't even count.
Yes.
There you go.
Do it, please.
All right.
Y'all cut it close, man. We had, I ain't gonna lie, man. We had the
So the blue one. Uh-oh. Somebody sneaking in. All right. And a money. Man, I've been wanting one of them for a long time. I've been wanting one of them for a long time.
They dropped the price, they like $300 now.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It was like $1,000 before.
No, when I bought it, it was brand new, it was $450, and then the Impala was $600. I think the Impala's right around $5 now, and this was at $3.
I seen a 63, they wanted like 900 some change, and then shipping and all that
Well, that's
stuff.
probably because it's all done up already.
Right.
They said, like, I still got to do it. I just got it not too long ago, so I got to do the lights and everything like that.
Okay. Y'all see it? Boom. I gotta get me one of them. I get one of them. My kids ain't gonna let me play with it.
I want to bring it to go out, but it's got to put
Yeah, my kids wouldn't let me play with it. They take that from me. That's it. That's the show. Going to this, it was close, they said. They said it was close. What's up, Omega Breed?
Hey, you there.
Griffin. Griffin, Griffin.